So it's June 1st. It's already 7. I think it's 7:30. Drop off the mail. I'm heading to the park now. I'm not gonna be recording much, hoping. But I know there will be a lot of people in the park now at this time. Yeah, a lot of joggers. So, yep, heading to the park with my coffee. And, yep, that's it. My morning view to the park. Very nice. A little bit chilly, but very nice. Alright, so the park is open. Heading in. Yep. Mask. Yep, another beautiful day in the neighborhood. Very nice. A little bit chilly, but unlike, I believe, when was that? I was here Friday. It was very foggy. Looks like it was gonna rain, but today is a different day. Very clear day. I'm not gonna go too far. Let me putting my cup down. I wanna be able to zoom. Last time I forgot the name of the bridge. Is Verrazano Bridge. Statue of Liberty. I believe this is Brooklyn. Still Brooklyn. Oh, now I forgot this place. Something Island. And Manhattan. Jersey City. Alright, so it's 8:30. I'm heading back already. I didn't walk as much. There's me. There's a lot of people behind me. I didn't walk as much because I need to go back and work with the kids. And I didn't, what is it? I think I left 6 something. And then I got to the park by 7 something. I had to go to the post office. They didn't open yet, but I dropped it in the mailbox. You know what? Let me go look in there. It's always nice over here. So, yeah. I'm gonna head back. Even though I'm saying it's 8:30, it's not that late, but it's kind of late. It's just the fact that I left the house a little bit later than usual. So it is so nice. A lot of birds in there. Okay. So I did not record a couple of days before, but this is something I realized. I'm about to leave the park. So they took out some of the yellow tapes on some of the exercises, but the one down there has it. Couple of them from up there, they didn't have the yellow tapes. Okay, so this one doesn't. I'm wondering maybe the wind took it, but this is what I hate. When people come to the park, look at all those water bottles on the floor. I don't know if you guys see it. Water bottles on the floor. You know, when you come with your trash, leave with your trash. But anyway, the point is some of the exercise that, yeah, it could be the wind that blew them off. Some of them are not there, the yellow tapes. Yeah, it will have to be the wind. This one has the yellow tape. And I see one down there, there's the yellow tape on it. So it must have been the wind blew it. Look at this left there. Oh, the trash there. Yep. There it is. It still have the tape on. So the other ones that don't have the tape, I think the wind probably blew them off. And today is June 1st. I still haven't bring my TRX to do my exercise. So I will still be focusing on doing it when I do decide to bring my TRX to do it on a tree. This is one of the trees that I picked. Just realized that now I might have to find another one, but it's still out of the way and the shade is perfect. But there's a little pathway here. If you see what I'm talking, like right here, there's a little path. So most likely when I'm working out, there'll be a lot of people walking by. And it goes through here and go over there. So these are some of the things I have to think about. This tree, the bark is strong. It will hold my weight in the TRX. And the spot is okay now that I'm thinking about it, but it's not perfect. The shades, and the other one is over there. I'll show you guys the other one that I'm talking about. I crossed through here. So I'll record it so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Okay, cross the street, cross. Cross. I'm gonna pause it. I did pause it, I'm still walking. There's the street back there, just crossed. Just saving myself some camera film, even though it's digital. Okay, there it is. I think it was this tree right there. And I think the problem that I had with it, this one is not good because the part where I will have to wrap the thing around is too weak. This one seems a bit stronger, but it's too high. That was the problem with this one. It was too high. When I'm untying the thing, it might give me some issues. But it's an option. That's all I have to say. All right. I don't walk here often. I usually go this way. This time I'm going that way. She took a picture of these two trees. It's white now, but you know what? Let me do it. In a couple of days, it's gonna change. The difference in sound. You could hear the difference in sound of nature and man-made noises, you see? This is why I like to come to the park early. I don't have to hear that sound over here, this sound, but rather hear some of these sounds over here. Nature sound is very soothing. This one, not so much.